Hello, how are you?
Hello. Good. And yourself?
Thanks, very good. What's your name?
My name is Dasja. What's your name?
Very nice. What are you doing in Hanover?
I work as a teacher. And you?
I study mechanical engineering at the university.
Super great. How old are you?
I am 20.
I am 28. By the way, your German is very good.
Thank you, I practice every day. What are your hobbies?
I like to read and travel. What about you?
I enjoy playing sports, especially football. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is The Little Prince. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. It's a very beautiful book. Have you visited other countries?
Yes, I've been to France, Spain, and Italy. And you?
I've been to the USA and Canada. I want to travel to Japan someday.
That sounds fantastic. I want to visit Japan too. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. Do you have any pets?
I have a dog. His name is Max.
That's lovely. Would you like to go for a drink later?
Yes, I'd love to. Let's go to a cafe.
Perfect. See you later then.
Great. See you later.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, John. I am not so good. I lost my iPhone.
Oh no. That's terrible. When did you lose it?
I lost it yesterday. I was at the mall. Do you think I can find it?
Maybe. Did you try calling it?
Yes, I called it, but no one answered. Do you have any other ideas?
Did you check with the lost and found at the mall?
Yes, I asked them, but they don't have it. What should I do next?
Did you use the Find My iPhone app?
No, I didn't. How does it work?
You can use another device to find your iPhone. It shows the location on a map. Do you have another device?
Yes, I have an iPad. I will try it. What else can I do?
You can also check with the mall security. They might have found it. Did you look everywhere at home?
Yes, I looked at home. It's not there. I will ask the security at the mall. Do you think it's stolen?
It's possible, but don't worry. Sometimes people return lost items. Do you have insurance for your iPhone?
Yes, I have insurance. It helps if it's lost or stolen. Should I report it to the police?
Yes, you should. It's always a good idea to report it. Do you remember where you last used it?
Yes, I was in the food court. I think I left it on the table. Do you think someone picked it up?
Maybe. Some people might take it by mistake. It's good to check. Can you block your iPhone?
Yes, I can lock it using the Find My iPhone app. I will do that now. Thank you for your help, John.
You're welcome, Sarah. I hope you find your iPhone soon. Let's stay positive.
Yes, I will stay positive. I have to go now. See you later, John.
See you, Sarah. Good luck.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What's new with you?
I bought a new iPhone.
Wow, that's great. When did you buy it?
I bought it 2 days ago. I am very happy with it. Do you want to see it?
Yes, I would love to see it. Which model is it?
It's the iPhone 13. It has a lot of cool features.
It looks fantastic. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. The camera is very good, and the screen is clear. Do you have an iPhone?
Yes, I have an older model, but it still works well. What color is your iPhone?
It's blue. I think it looks very stylish. What color is yours?
Mine is black. I like the classic look. Have you tried all the new features?
Not yet, but I am excited to try them. There are many things to explore. Do you have any favorite apps?
Yes, I like using Instagram and WhatsApp. What about you?
I use Instagram and also enjoy playing games. The new iPhone is very fast. Did you get a case for it?
Yes, I bought a case and a screen protector. It's important to keep it safe. Do you need help setting it up?
No, I set it up already. It was easy. Do you think it's a good purchase?
Yes, it's a great phone. You will enjoy using it. Do you plan to use it for work or just for fun?
I will use it for both work and fun. It's very useful. Do you think I made a good choice?
Yes, definitely. It's one of the best phones available. We should take some photos together.
Yes, that's a great idea. Let's take a selfie now.
Okay. Say cheese.
Cheese. This photo looks amazing. The camera is really good.
Yes, it's very clear. I have to go now. See you later, Tom.
See you, Jane. Have a great day. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Is this your dog?
Yes, this is my dog, Max. He is very friendly. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Bella. She is very cute.
I like cats. They are very calm. What does Bella like to do?
Bella likes to sleep and play with her toys. What about Max?
Max likes to run and play fetch. He has a lot of energy.
That's nice. How old is Max?
Max is 2 years old. How old is Bella?
Bella is 3 years old. Do you take Max for walks every day?
Yes, I take him for a walk every morning. Do you play with Bella every day?
Yes, I play with her in the evening. She loves to chase a ball.
Pets are so much fun. Do you have any other pets?
No, I only have Bella. Do you have any other pets?
No, just Max. Do you take Max to the vet?
Yes, I take Bella to the vet once a year. It is important to keep pets healthy.
Yes, it is. Max likes the vet. He gets treats there.
That's good. Bella gets nervous, but she is always okay after the visit.
Pets can be nervous sometimes. Max was scared of loud noises when he was a puppy.
Bella is scared of the vacuum cleaner. She hides when I clean.
That's funny. Max barks at the vacuum cleaner.
Pets are funny and make us happy. I am glad we have them.
Me too. They are like family. I have to go now. See you later, Tom.
See you, Sarah. Have a great day. Hi, Mia. How are you?
Hi, Alex. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. How was your weekend?
My weekend was great. I went to the zoo. What about you?
I went to the zoo too. Did you see the lions?
Yes, I did. They were very big and loud. Did you like them?
Yes, I liked them a lot. What else did you see?
I saw the elephants and the monkeys. The monkeys were very funny. What did you see?
I saw the giraffes and the zebras. The giraffes were very tall.
Yes, they were. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I took many pictures. Did you?
Yes, I took pictures too. We should share them.
Yes, that's a good idea. What did you eat at the zoo?
I ate a hot dog and some ice cream. It was very tasty. What about you?
I ate a sandwich and a pretzel. The pretzel was big.
That sounds good. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, I bought a small toy lion. Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a keychain with a monkey on it. It's very cute.
That's nice. What did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I went to the movies. I watched a new cartoon. What about you?
I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic.
Picnics are fun. What did you eat?
We ate sandwiches, fruit, and cookies. It was very nice.
That sounds delicious. Did you play any games at the park?
Yes, we played soccer. My team won. Do you like soccer?
Yes, I like soccer. It's a fun game. We should play together sometime.
Yes, we should. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Alex.
See you, Mia. Have a great day.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!